My name's Lewis Hunt. I'm from Llandudno, just down the road, and I'm studying electronic engineering. My project is called AWAKE, Automatic Waking Alert to Keep Road Accidents and Emergency Down. Quite a long acronym. It's basically it's a little sensor mounted on a pair of glasses. So it's meant to be like a product that you can buy, you can put on your own pair of glasses or sunglasses. And it detects if you're sleeping at the wheel or not. It's got like a little alarm on it, and it'll sound whenever the user's asleep. It detects them it's got a little proximity sensor, and it detects the movement of your eyelid, your eyelash, and the LED's facing that way, so the LED doesn't go in the eye or anything. It's just a low intensity light, and it detects whether your eyes are open or shut, and you blinking right and stuff. And it calculates whether you're about to go to sleep or not. I was interested in the photonics, that was the main basis of it, is using light. And of course I wanted to try and come up with something that would keep road accidents down. It's got a real actual purpose.
I'm from Kuwait. My name is Farid Mohammed, and I'm studying electronics engineering at Bangor University. My project is basically an electronic footwear that helps the visually impaired people. This kind of product can guide them through the stairs, climbing, ascending or descending. So when you wear this shoe and you go through a stair, it tells you whether this is ascending or descending a stair. There are some sensors, front, downward, and that's what consists of. You can see the flow diagram. Can tell you even if there is an obstacle in front of you or not, and there are like audio indicators, like speakers, and there are some vibration motor, which is even sometimes, let's say there is noise around, the user can feel the vibration, so he knows this is like descending. For example, for the descending, I made it audio and vibration. For the ascending, it's only audio, so because descending is very harmful.
My name's Patrick Byrne, and I'm from Bangor University Electronic Engineering Department, and this is my project. The main aim of it was to design a fitness device for an athlete to measure heart rate and breathing rate using photonics concepts. I did 2 benchtop systems which simulate breathing and simulate heartbeat, and then the final design used a LCD display to record the heartbeat, and it displays beats per minute, frequency, and then whether it's low, medium or high. This will be the final system when it's complete. Involves a finger clip which measures the heartbeat and a chest strap which will measure the breathing. Photonics element, with the breathing simulator, it uses things called moire fringes, which are formed by 2 raunchy gratings, which works on light interference transmission. And then with the heartbeat, there's an optical fibre which laser speckles induced in that, and that's calculated the heartbeat, the beats per minute.
I am Khadija Al-Kandari from Kuwait. I'm studying computer engineering science. It's a robot dog guidance. It's a work as a robot guide for a blind person. I built a prototype of that using a lighting source. So it's moving around, and if it's stuck any lighting source is stop, or if the light's coming from right, it's going left, it's coming from left, it's going right. So it's just demonstrate how to move instead of the lighting source. I have built 2 circuits. One of them is depends on the photonics with fiber optics and the photodiodes, and the other circuit is with the micro chip, so it's programmed by the computer. I see here a lot of people, they cannot see and moving with a small stick, and I prefer to do something more useful for them, to move around without any accident, or it's easy to take it everywhere.
My name is Marek Rybalski, and I'm from Poland. I'm studying computer system engineering. My project is basically sending audio information using a light. You can have any audio device connected to the system, even a microphone. It uses the audio signal, which is an audio wave, to modulate the carrier frequency provided by a multivibrator. LED light is switched on and off with that high-speed frequency. Thus, it's not visible for human eye, that is switching, But in that carrier frequency, there is an audio signal, and it goes to a photodiode, which detects that high frequency signal, and it changes it to an electronic signal. Then it's passed through a audio power amplifier, and then it goes to a speaker. Light is the fastest way to send information. It gets up to some terabytes per second.